What if I told you the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 isn't just a cool foldable, it's a modern engineering masterpiece? In just 5 minutes, we're breaking down every single part that makes this phone flip, flex, and function like magic. Let's start with the crown jewel, the flexible AMOLED display. It's built with ultra-thin glass and folds like paper without breaking. Next up, the Flex Hinge 3.0. Redesigned with fewer parts and tighter seals, this hinge is now more durable and dust-resistant. Under the hood, we've got the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. Combined with high-speed LPDDR5X RAM, this setup handles multitasking, gaming, and AI tasks with ease. The Z Flip 7 uses a dual battery layout, one in each half of the fold. You get a balanced feel, with 25W fast charging. Don't sleep on the camera system. Dual rear lenses shoot crystal clear shots even in flex mode. And finally, the unsung hero, the foldable circuit board. Samsung engineers redesigned the motherboard to bend and fold without damage. Now that you've seen the Z Flip 7 from the inside out, which part surprised you the most?